Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses central and east central Texas, the northern half of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi, northern Alabama, the very far extreme northwestern tip of Georgia, central and southwestern Tennessee, and central Kentucky. Cities in Taurus slight include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Jackson, Mississippi. And there is a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, much of Texas, parts of Arkansas, southwestern and central Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, central and western North Carolina, eastern and western Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, southeastern Illinois, southeastern Indiana, much of Kentucky, much of Ohio, all of West Virginia, most of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, northern Delaware, pretty much all Pennsylvania, including my area, northwestern New Jersey, most of New York State, northwest of New York City, northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and southern half of Vermont. Cities in Taurus marginal include Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, and Memphis, Tennessee. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses central and east central Texas, northern Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, southwestern and central Tennessee, and south central Kentucky. Cities in Taurus 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Austin, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Waco, Texas, and Clarksville, Tennessee. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow that encompasses central and east central Texas, northern half of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi, northern Alabama, southwestern and central Tennessee, the very far extreme northwestern tip of Georgia, and south central and central Kentucky, or central Kentucky in general. Cities in Taurus 15% wind risk area tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Jackson, Mississippi. There is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, most of Texas, much of Arkansas, southwestern and central Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, central and western North Carolina, eastern and western Tennessee, far southeastern Missouri, far southeastern Illinois, most of Kentucky, southeastern Indiana, most of Ohio, all of West Virginia, most of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, northern Delaware, northwestern New Jersey, most of Pennsylvania, actually all Pennsylvania, including my area, most of New York State, most of New York State, northwest of New York City, northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and southern Vermont. Cities in Taurus 5% wind risk area tomorrow include Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, and Memphis, Tennessee. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses central and east central Texas, the northern half of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, the northern half of Mississippi pretty much, northwestern half of Mississippi pretty much, northern Alabama, the very far extreme northwestern tip of Georgia, central and southwestern Tennessee, and central Kentucky. Cities in the 15%, why did you update on me? Cities in the 15% Why are you doing this to me? Come on. There is a cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, and Shreveport, Louisiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses parts of central and east central Texas. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the 15%, cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Waco, Texas, Killeen, Texas, and Tyler, Texas. Again, black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. So, anyway, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, most of Texas, southwestern and central Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, western North Carolina, eastern and western Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, far southeastern Illinois, southeastern Indiana, much of Kentucky, much of Ohio, all of West Virginia, the western half of Virginia, northwestern Maryland, the panhandle of Maryland, and west central and southwestern Pennsylvania. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, and Charlotte, North Carolina. So, anyway, in summary, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are expected from central Texas to middle Tennessee and central Kentucky Friday afternoon and early Friday night. Large hail and damaging winds are the main threats. So, that's the Day 2 outlook. So, anyway, take today to prepare for severe weather tomorrow, even the marginal. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even the marginal, because you never know what marginal can bring sometimes. Sometimes there could be some strong storms and strong and severe storms in the marginal. I mean, there have been, and sometimes marginals can, produce big. Sometimes. So, anyway, and you can even say that for a general thunderstorm, where you can get some an isolated severe storm in a general thunderstorm. So, don't rule that out in a general thunderstorm either. So, stay safe tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.